guys, welcome back for another video, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Gerald and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to make a tutorial dahil matagal-tagal na din ako hindi nakagawa ng tutorial, and I decided to make this purple smoky eye with a ano bang tawag sa lip na to? Yan, yung parang medyo naging trended to sometime last year yata. Yan, so yan siya. At kung gusto niyo mapanood kung paano ginawa itong tutorial na to, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with primer. So I'll be using this Maybelline New York Baby Skin Bye Bye Pores. So ito siya. So lalagyan ko lang yung part na dito sa may nose area, tsaka sa may bandang cheek, may ilalim na under eye. Kasi dito ako maraming pores. I mean, medyo enlarge yung pores ko. Then, being extra, I'll be using this, the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. Dahil ko naman siya dito sa may surface ng aking skin. For foundation, I'll be using this Maybelline New York Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Sun Beige. Well, it's brand new. Okay? Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Oh, kala ko twist siya. Then, shake ko muna. Ito yung pinaka-darkest shade dito sa may collection na available sa Philippines. Then, meron na siyang pump. So, yan. Happy na ako sa coverage na. As you can see, full coverage nga siya. And, medyo dark nga lang siya sa skin ko. Kasi ito na yung pinaka-darkest shade na available sa Maybelline counter. And, ayoko naman na medyo maputi. Yung next shade niya is medyo maputi na siya sa akin. So, for my concealer, I'll be using this, the same Cover Perfection the Tip Concealer, and I'm in the shade 02. For powder, I'll be using this Coty Airspun Loose Setting Powder in the shade Naturally Neutral. For brows, I'll be using this LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade Brunette. For the eyes, I'll be using this Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips Custom Eye Enhancing Cool Casual Eyeliner Trio. Itong smoky eyes. Galing siya dun sa kung hindi nyo pa naman yung video ko, last one is galing siya doon sa package nung makeup ni Mama. Yung ang achievement natin is smoky eyes, kaya gagamit natin to. Then, blend ko lang siya with my finger. I'll just use this Morphe 35B palette. Itong combination nitong dalawa. Itong purple and this one. Then, using this brown shade from the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 palette. So, yung lalagay natin sa may crease. Then, lagyan na rin natin yung black. Kuha lang ako ng brush, pero walang product. Blend ko lang. Then, gagamitin ko tong black na to. This one. But first, gagamitin ko muna pala tong Physicians Formula Shimmer Strip Custom Eye Enhancing Eyeliner Trio in the shade Smoky Nude Eyes. Ito siya. Then, nalagay ko lang siya dito. Ito na yung pagta-tight line ko. Then, smudge ko lang siya. Then, gamit yung black. Pero happy na ako dyan. Then, gagawin ko lang yung sa kabila and I'll be back. Yan, it's done. And alisin ko yung bake ko. For my under eye, gagamitin ko lang yung black. Dun sa Morphe palette, then smudge ko lang siya here. Then gamitin ko din itong liner para sa aking waterline. Then gamit yung combination ng purple kanina. I'll just put some lashes and mascara, then I'll be back. Okay, so lashes is on. Then let's do contour. For my contour, I'll be using this shade, the darkest shade. For blush, I'll just use this lightest brown shade from the contour palette. For highlight, I'll be using this ColourPop Super Shock Chic shadow in the shade Flexitarian. For my lips, I'll be using this BLK long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Love. Then, being extra, let's put this ColourPop Ultra Matte lip. Ultra Matte metallic in the shade BM. So that's it for this tutorial. Sana nagustuhan nyo. At kung nagustuhan nyo, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel kung di ka pa nakaka-subscribe. And click mo yung maliit na bell button dyan sa tabi para ma-notify ka every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong videos. Salamat sa panood at I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys!